Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marguerite James, for those of you guys who don't know, and today we're going to be recreating this nice sunset look, for fall vibes, gotta get ready. So if you guys do like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that way you guys can see more. Alright, let's get right into it. Alright everybody, we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. I already did my eyebrows and now I'm just applying a light concealer to my eyelids, and this is just to make the eyeshadow really pop out. If I use a concealer that I would normally use on my skin, then it won't pop out as much as I want it to. So that's why I'm using a lighter shade concealer. This concealer is the Fit Me by Maybelline concealer. I'm not exactly sure what number it is, but it is just a lighter tone for my skin. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and take the most yellow shade out of that palette and go ahead and put that right above my crease. So when I was doing this look, I really wanted to make sure that the yellow stood out. So I made sure to, really pack it on. So just keep that in mind for when you're trying to do the same look. Don't be afraid to pack on the yellow, because when you blend out the other colors, you want to make sure that you can see the yellow. So after I'm done packing on the yellow shade right above my crease, I'm going to go in with an orange and put that in my crease and kind of blend it a little bit upwards. So now I'm just going in with a different brush to really blend out the orange and the yellow. I'm doing this because the original brush that I was using, I just wanted to make sure I was able to pack on my colors. So now that I've put them down, I want to go ahead and blend them out so it looks really nice. Now I'm going to go in with a simple, cheap red lipstick. This is the matte one by LA Colors, and I'm going to put that onto my lid. So after putting a little bit of the red lipstick onto my lid, I'm going to go in with a brush and blend it out first. And then I'm going to add a little bit more red lipstick, and then I'm going to blend it out with my finger. This is just so that way I can make sure it's pigmented the way that I like want it to show up. So after I'm done placing the red lipstick onto my lid, I'm going to go back in with the same blending brush in the same orange tone from earlier, and I'm just going to blend out that red lipstick, and I'm just going to blend it into the orange and the yellow. So to really complete my sunset look, I really wanted to just add a little bit of purple to the bottom of my lid, and I felt like that really brought the whole sunset vibe thing together. And to wrap up this look, I'm going to go ahead and take a golden highlight, and I'm going to put it on my brow bone and on my inner corners. And now I'm just going to go ahead and finish up my face. So after I was done with the rest of my face, I just went in with my blending brush and I put a red shade from the Take Me to Brazil palette on my lower lash line. Alright you guys, now that I'm all done, I'm just going to change into something with, you know, fall vibes, and you guys will see the finished look. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, all of that. We're taking my channel to higher heights. Alright y'all, I'll see you guys next time.